In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile number to outllok.com. Adding your mobile number is a simple way to make your account more secure and to recover access if you ever forget your password. We'll do this through your Microsoft account settings, since outllok.com uses the same profile for security and sign-in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Microsoft account website. If you're asked to sign in, use your usual outllok.com credentials. Once you're on the account homepage, look for the section labeled Your Info. This area holds your profile details and links to manage how you sign in, so click it to continue. On your profile page, find the link to Account Info. This takes you to the place where Microsoft stores your contact and sign-in details. From there, choose Edit Account Info. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an option to manage your sign-in or identity information. The goal is the same. You're opening the page that controls the email addresses and phone numbers associated with your account. On the account info page, select Add Phone Number. Before you proceed, make sure you have your phone nearby and turned on, because you'll receive a verification code in just a moment. In the phone number field, choose the correct country or region code, then type your mobile number exactly as you receive text on it. Double check for typos. Getting this right ensures the code arrives without delays. When everything looks good, click Next. Microsoft will send a one-time security code to the number you entered. Watch for a text message and keep in mind that codes are time limited, so it's best to enter it as soon as you receive it. If you don't see the message after a minute or two, confirm you have cell coverage and that the number was entered correctly. Then request a new code if prompted. Type the verification code into the box on the screen and click Next to confirm. After successful verification, your mobile number will appear in your account info list. That's it. Your number is now linked to your outllok.com account and can be used for sign-in notifications, password resets, and added security checks. As a quick recap, you went to your Microsoft account, opened your info, navigated to account info, chose edit account info, added your phone number, and confirmed it with the code sent to your device. You can return to this same page anytime to review or manage your contact details. Thanks for watching, and great job strengthening your account security.